Enter the Sports Wireless Train, the latest intra-ear headphones from Under Armour, created together with the JBL audio signature. The new set was revealed for the first time in 2017 and looks almost identical to the Rox project, with the only difference of the UA and JBL logos on the headsets and headband, respectively. Outside the design, Under Armour and JBL tuned the sport wireless trains to be more neutral than Project Rox, which are quite low. I could tell immediately when I heard a couple of albums on wireless sports trains. The voices seem to explode and be clearer on each track. The other main difference, and this is a big difference, is that UA made the wireless sports trains $50 cheaper than the $250 Project Rox. $200 is a much more attractive price, especially when it still has all the features that make the pair of the Rox attract people who come to the gym frequently. The sport wireless trains are made of robust and sweat-resistant IPX4 rated materials and come with breathable ear pads that can be removed and washed, that will make it easier to clean them after your workouts. They also have JBL drivers. 40mm, battery life of 16 hours, charge of 5 minutes will provide a listening time, volume buttons and large playback, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack in case you do not want Bluetooth pairing. In addition, Under Armour is launching a 12-month premium subscription to its Snap My Fitness service, which usually costs $30 per year.